All right, bought a truck. This is a 2019 Cascadia 113. Has that little shorty hood. It's a nice truck. It's got brand new Bridgestones. Brand new steer tires, brand new drive tires. I like it. This is one of the only ones that for some odd reason doesn't smell like a dog. Because every other truck that I looked at of these smelled like a dog. So it's got one fuel tank. So this is a 140 gallon fuel tank, and I'm told it's plumbed for a second tank over there. It's just not hooked. You can, I guess, get it as an option or something. I don't know. I might look at that in the future, but 140 gallons really is all I need right now. So, and it's formerly Indiana. Got my coveted clean idle sticker that California wants you to have. Ooh. Very clean. But most of all, not just clean, it runs well. Runs and drives impeccably well. As I went to CDL school with one of these, but it was a day cab, and it didn't drive well. It drove like a school truck. You would expect a school truck to, but this drives a whole lot better. I was doing 55 miles an hour down the freeway, and I was tacking 1,100 RPM. It's got 2.41 gear ratio. So, all right. Anybody has any questions, comments? Let me know. Have a great day.